Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into the Google account that will store your photos. Open Google Photos on your phone or go to Photos. Google.com on desktop. Once signed in, go straight to Settings and enable Backup and Sync so uploads begin. Choose the account to use and the upload quality, high quality to save space or original for full resolution. Also make sure you're on Wi-Fi or adjust mobile upload settings to avoid charges and control when backups run. Once backup is enabled, select which device folders to include so you don't upload everything by accident. Tap Device Folders and toggle Camera, WhatsApp images, screenshots, or any app folder you want backed up. Next, confirm upload quality. Original preserves full resolution and uses storage. High quality compresses slightly and may be free depending on account. Also organize with albums and labels so future photos are searchable, and auto backup applies only where you intend it to, keeping storage tidy. You finish by forcing a sync to confirm everything uploaded. Pull down to refresh or tap Backup Now and watch the progress indicators. Once uploads complete, use free up space to remove local copies and reclaim device storage while keeping cloud versions. If something fails, make sure the app has permission to access storage, you're signed into the correct account, and you have enough Google storage quota. If needed, clear cache or reinstall the app and retry. That usually resolves lingering sync issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.